Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to place an image in text with Photoshop. So let's get started. First, create a new layer and pick a text tool and type anything. I am typing Las Vegas and transform it and hit OK and make it center with the canvas. And now place the image. So go to File, place Embedded and import the image and hit OK and transform it to the text size. After that, create a clipping mask. Now select the text layer and go to blending options, add a shadow and add bevel and emboss for more highlights and hit OK and done. And see how we can easily place image in text. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.